Hello guys, so this is your trainer Anirudh Chiller, and today again we are gathering here for the Fortinet NSE 4, having different Fortinet firewall, having common platform 7.x, 7.0.9, 7.2.11, 7.2.6, and having some Cisco devices and different devices. We are going to create one topology here. So I'm going to show you what kind of lab we are going to use, what kind of devices, and how they'll be connected to each other in this video. Let's open the lab. Let's go to the VMware workstation to open it. I already have EVNG there, just power it on. Let's wait for a minute to make it up. Every time just cross confirm. The IP should be 192.168.1.190. That's my EVNG machine IP. You'll be seeing the same IP here. This is 192.168.1.190. Just go to the GUI, type that IP 192. Okay, this is the IP. Just click enter. It will directly take you because I just log in. So what kind of lab we are going to use in our company coming tutorial? So these lab would be something like that. Just click, I've already created for you. Click on the enter and okay, it's locked, so it's not gonna move. So this lab will be like that. We have some routers here. That's the router 6. And here is one more router, router 9. That's kind of router we are going to use. Let me take a snapshot and show it here. I showed you earlier as well. Give me a second. Okay, so that's how we are going to use some routers, some switches, and a lot of stuff will be happening. And I'm going to show you which kind of model we are using for our lab because we have a lot of different kind of platform, different kind of devices here. So this is basically our lab that I just show you. So this lab is, if you say Fortinet, so these are the Fortinet firewall. And these are the Fortinet firewall that our major focus is on the Fortinet here, and these are the Fortinet firewall that we're going to use. Then we are having some Cisco devices that's here, and then one Windows machine, some Linux. These are the Linux machines, and we have some more. Yeah, here it is, and here it is. And then we have some switches as well. These are the switches for the interconnection between, you can say, Fortinet or router or Fortinet Linux or Fortinet cloud. You can say that. So this kind of stuff we are going to use. Let's move to the here. Okay. So when we say what kind of devices we are going to use, let's unlock it first to cross check. Okay. Let's check what kind of operating system we are going to use in our firewall. Let's a Fortinet Firewall 4. Just right click on it, add it. It will show you, okay, we are going to use Fortinet 7.0.9 with a RAM of 1 or 2 4, having one CPU and 4 Ethernet ports. Just save it and check the other one. Add it. Here we are going to use Fortinet 7.2.11. As I told you earlier, we are having different version and we are using a different versions of firewall as per our need. Cross check the RAM, having one CPU only. That's it. Let's go and cross check the third one. Add it. Okay, it's having the version 7.0.9, same 1 or 2 4, one CPU, 4 ports. That's it. Cross check the fourth one. Click, add it. Same 7.0.9. So here what we are having on the specific port, sorry, specific firewall, Fortinet 4, Fortinet 2, and Fortinet 3. 2, 3, 4 are having the version of 7.0.9 and one is having 7.2.11. And we are having some switches here. These are the switch. Let's right click on it. Check it's L2 switch and just use for the interconnection. That's the RAM and that's the NVRAM, Ethernet. If you have any serial port groups, you can mention that. Just save it. This is our router. Let's cross check the router stuff here. Okay, that's a L3 router. We just name it as a R6, or you can name it as a edge router, depend on you. And having a memory of 1024, that's the RAM. And in a single Ethernet port group that we already used and save it. So these are the port if you're seeing E0 by 1, E0 by 0, E0 by 1. So these are the ports that's connected on the other side, like how this router 6 is connected to the management cloud is connected by E0 by 1. R6 is connected to this NT 4 by 0 by 0, 0 by 1 on this side. And these are the IP that we are going to use. The management IP would be 192.168.0.0/24. That's the management IP, or you can say that's the IP we are going to use for all our firewalls. And the firewall 1 IP, if you say firewall 1, that's meant Fortinet 1, will be having the IP of 192.168.1.50. Firewall 2 is having 192.168.1.51. Third is having 192.168.1.52. And the last one is 53. So these are the IP we are going to use. So that is all for the lab. That kind of lab we are going to use in the coming lectures. So hope you like the video and hope you subscribe my channel. That's at the rate ARC underscore tutorial. That's my channel. Hope you like the video. We'll be coming with more videos and I'm going to configure the devices that we used in the lab. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you.